Well, yep. That Max Kid Boo? Oh shit, it is. Alright, cool. So Android 16 is in, I think it's A tier. So I'm gonna be running on Cell Saga because I don't have 13. And this bench is atrocious. Anyway, let's get this over with, please. Okay, for the first match we got... what the hell is this? What is this? This is the wrong fucking team. Okay, we finally loaded in. Should have taken my Gohan. Sidestep? Hello? Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, now we're lagging! Oh, that's cute. Thanks for the lag, bitch. Alright, come on, 16. Come on, 16. Dude, hello? What is this fucking lag? Dude, what is this fucking lag? Like, hello? Hello? What is this shit? Oh my god. Like, dude. Oh my god, that's gonna do a lot of damage though. I got the blast here, I guess. No, it's tap! Oh my fucking god, you idiot. I'm actually doing revival here, yeah. Dude, this guy's playing terribly! Good. Well, this is gonna be a Gohan carry, I guess. Thank you. Nice lag. Do this. I'm just gonna spam, like. Dude, what is this lag? Dude, least obvious fucking thing in the game, dog! Least obvious fucking game! Okay. My sidestep didn't want to come through, I guess. Sick. Is he stupid? Okay, he's stupid. Okay, that was not intentional. You wanna swap? Dude, what is this fucking hand? I could actually rush here. Dude, I have 2 blues. I can't do anything. I can't. What is this hand, dude? Dude, what the fuck? Okay, game. Wait, yes, you idiot! Oh my god, you're a fucking moron! Dude, 16 did fuck all that match. That was atrocious. Okay, what do we got? Luigi then. Okay, we got Piccolo. Cool. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna always work under the assumptions that these guys have greens. Alright. I mean, we stack up damage with this, so... That was a drop? Uh-oh. I wasn't even aware I dropped that shit. Honestly, I just used a green. Might as well, dude. This is like the first, like, what, couple counts I already got a rush? Was it that obvious I had another green? Hello? What? Oh my god, are you kidding me, dude? Is that already that out of the way? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this is gonna... Nah, I think he's set neutral, but yeah, this is gonna do a good amount of damage, I think. Yeah, he's set neutral here, I think. Oh, the hard read! The hard read! I guess do this, and swap in for type neutral blue. Wait, no, wait, did he cancel it? Oh, I think he canceled it. I want to see if he can go. I want to see if he goes for hard read overdrive. Yes, he did! Oh my god! He goes for hard read overdrive and it failed! There's actually no way! Oh, that's crazy. That's diabolical by me. That's actually diabolical. I'm gonna just pop his disc up right away. Okay. See if I can go for hard read strike. Oh, he goes for hard read drop. Okay. Yeah, I'll just have Gohan fucking die. Yeah. But yeah, he goes for a hard read. Yep. He wasn't expecting that. I'm gonna go for blue here. Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, just go again. Just go again, dog. He has so many lives. Blue card number 1. Blue card number 2. Watch him guess this too. Oh no! Dude, no! No! Fuck. Oh, damn. Okay, good. I'll pop main here. I'll just go full screen. No! What the fuck? Wait, I'm type neutral, though. I'll take fuck. Okay, okay, cool. Can I get a success? Hello? Okay, cool, good. He still has main though, so I gotta be careful. Yeah, that's what I thought. Really? Okay, go ahead and go. Hello, what? No, because he still has main. That's the thing. He still has main, so I kind of can't just go willy-nilly. Am I not out of that? Yeah, I'm out of that. What are you doing, big bro? Big brother. Kill! Hello, kill! Hello, what the fuck? He's banking on like some hard read. Yep! Oh, that felt good! Oh, hard read! Alright. I did double watch, but hey, GG's. Let's move on to the next match. Okay, so we got another match here. I'm gonna actually use... It doesn't fucking matter, does it? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Cool. Okay, so we loaded in. What's it... What's this gonna be? Okay, cool. What was that lag, dog? Like... Okay. Oh my god. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? I don't know why. He could have just gone right away. Alright, cool. I mean, I'm just gonna keep doing this because I know he's gonna swap into... He wants to swap into that Vegito, so... We'll just keep going, I mean... He's type neutral now, so it doesn't even matter if I swap into Vegeta. Alright. He swapped, yeah, that's what I thought. It's not killing, doing anything out of it. Did my taps not want to go through? Cool. Dude, what is this lag? I mean, let's go all damage. Get rid of his endurance, yeah. Can't get him. Oh my god, dude. Are you kidding me? I mean, half his team is almost dead, so... This is basically the Gohan show, because, dude, this... Sidestep? Hello? What? Okay, he's lagging. Dude, like, what is this? Go full screen. He doesn't have Vanish, so I can just... Yeah, just do that. Can I... Go for this right now, yeah. I mean, it doesn't cancel buff effects, so let's see. Damn, okay. That was meant to be a float! I should have just comboed there. What am I doing? I'm fucking throwing. That was not late. Hello, what? As I said, that was not late. Like, honestly, fuck this. Fuck this guy. Fuck this guy, dude. Oh my god. That was terrible. Terrible last match. Sorry if I can't really showcase much of 16, dude. All of these are goddamn purples. I'm playing to like 7 purples so far. But yeah, we'll move on to the next match now. Okay, so we got... Is this... Actually, that's... I'll give you props. That's unique. Okay. Oh, fuck. I gotta itch my head. Alright. Can we load in, please? Thank you. Actually, quite weird seeing someone who also is using Super Vegeta. And who also mid-range strikes at the beginning of the fucking match. Jesus Christ, dude. Oh my god, fucking A, dude. Nice. Can I like move, please? Dude, I can barely move. Like, it's fucking crazy. It's actually crazy. This guy likes the mid-range strike, so. Okay, cool. I just jumped on myself. Oh, no! I actually get to see this. It's crazy. That's not comboable! But he's an idiot! Uh-oh. Please tell me I get a strike from this. Alright, good. Guaranteed strike card. Don't swap. He feels main, yeah. Oof, that's rough. Can I get one more? Can I get like one more card? Okay, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, that's the mid-range strike boy I know and love. Come on, give me a big ol' kiss on the cheek. He's gonna get the heal, yeah. Really? Okay, you're that confident, okay. Just rush him, fuck it, dude. Fuck it, just rush, dude. Like, I don't care. Yeah, there we go. Pop main. Yes! Oh my god, wait, we get to actually see this! We get to see this be... Fuck! No! Oh my god, that should have hit! No! Oh, that's such bullshit. Oh, that was horse shit, dog. That was fucking horse shit. Oh my god, I fucking hate. Do you not be type neutral for like, now please? 3, 2, 1, one out. Oh, he's dead anyway, so. Think you can make this comeback, big dog? No! I have to do a strategy. I have to swap into 16 and then immediately swap into Gohan. He ran out of cover, no, yes! Oh my god, this is hype. She still can't set my buff effects, so we gotta hit him a couple more times. He tried to go for hard read, but it failed. Oh. Do this. No, you fucking dickhead! He actually got an AoE green at the exact moment he needed to. Honestly. Mid-range. Oh, okay. That's very interesting. Dude, can we like... Dude, okay, so I'm confident in Super Vegeta's ability to just combo to the fucking end of time. Honestly, I'm risking it. I'm fucking risking it. Let's see, did we get rid of all your buff charges? We didn't? Okay. Alright. That's how your endurance going on, dude? Oh, okay, that's actually quite good for me, yeah. What's not good is my fucking sub counts, dude. Come on. Get lowered already. Uh-oh. Alright, we'll get this. We'll get fucking super shit for this skin, I guess. Alright, well. This should kill. You're killing, right? You're killing, right, Vegeta? Alright, good. That's the video. He kind of fucking sucks, so don't use him. Anyway, bye.